We'll guide you through how to reset your Mac to factory settings. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So make sure you've backed up anything you want on your Mac, because when you reset it, you are going to go and lose it all. Now, when you're ready to continue, you need to go and open up your settings by coming to the bottom and clicking on System Settings. Alternatively, you can go to the top right of your Mac, click on the search and go and search System Settings and open them up. Then on the left here, you need to scroll down and go and click on General and scroll to the bottom of General until you see the option Transfer or Reset, and we need to go and click there. Then all you need to do is go and click on the option Erase all content and settings. As I said, everything will be deleted, so make sure it's backed up if you want. When you click there, you'll then need to go and enter in your password to go and open up the Erase Assistant, which I'll do now, and I'll press Unlock. Then it says Erase all content and settings. All settings, media and data for all volumes on this Mac will be erased. The following items will also be, so press continue in the bottom right, and what you'll need to do is go and sign out of your Apple ID, and you can then go and continue. It's super simple, you'll be guided through step by step now. If you found this useful, then please leave a like.